Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today I've got a 2024 Range Rover PHEV, or plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. This costume is a Matchbox, part of the main line. It was released in 2025, but in a different color, I guess. So this is a newer color, and I think looks better than the actual color. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the 2024 Range Rover PHEV out of its box. I think it looks really good in the screen. They did a golden kind of shade before, and that didn't, make it. Range Rovers always look good in dark colors. That's what I'm saying. So this one, we're gonna start from the front. So in the front, you've got some nice details. You can see you've got detailed grille, painted headlamps, painted lower grille with fog lamps, and a Range Rover badge in the front. You can also see you've got both the mirrors and windshield wipers. Coming to the driver's side, there's nice details here. You might have seen these wheels on so many different Matchbox SUVs. Some of them have chrome finish, some of them have black finish. I think the black finish looks good here. Also, you got this, just like I would say it's a Range Rover feature. All the Range Rover have. I think it started with a grille and now it's become a Range Rover feature. You do get this flush door handles and this body line that comes from front to back, which looks good. The top half, the entire top half is like plastic or acrylic. Matchbox does this time, like these days. So they use different kind of shading to separate the window, windshield, and the roof. You do get this big sunroof though, and twin shark fin antenna. I've only seen Range Rover do this. You also get this. I don't know if it's fuel filler or it's for charger, so you get one on either side. So let's go to the other side, the passenger side. So it looks almost identical, especially with this door here. So one of them has to be for gas or diesel, and the other one is going to be for plugging your electric charger. Coming to the rear, this is where I'm slightly disappointed because we have no details, no painted details at all. And it would have looked so much better if Matchbox did the tail lamp. And they are easy to do on this generation, they're just one straight line. Also in the rear you can see there's a spoiler here. So, and you can see the lower bumper with exhaust tips right there. The interior seems to be finished in black because the tint I can't really show you much, but it has got some decent details on the interior too, if you look closely. So overall, I think for a mainline, even without the tail lamp, it's a really nice looking casting. It looks really good in this paint job, kind of accentuates all the details on the car, and I think you're not gonna hate it. You're gonna love it actually. So if you're a fan of Range or just SUVs, go for it. It's gonna look good in your collection. Well, that's all from my side. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.